Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification virus from your ZTE Blade A51. So if you see something like that in your notification bar, or something like that when you're trying to visit inside, just spamming pop-ups, that means you have a notification software, and you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So I'm gonna show the first method. In the first step, open the settings, then go to the apps and choose CL apps. Then check the list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize the name of it, just select it and click on install. Tap on the OK, and after that go back to the app list and now look for your web browser. Choose the storage and cache and tap on the clear storage. Tap on the clear all data and configure it by the OK. After that your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm always using Avast, so we can launch it now. And in this application, click on the Continuous Free and tap on the Start Scan. Then tap on the OK, and now we have to add a permission to the files. Then go back to the app, the scan started, and after that, after the scanning process, all of the unwanted softwares should be removed from your phone. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.